Hello students, we will begin a new chapter, Word Processor Tabular Presentation. As you already understand with its name, tabular presentation means here we will do all the tasks on tables. Let's see. Word Processor Tabular Presentation. In part 1, we will discuss the following topics: table or creating a table, entering data in the table, selecting a cell, row, column and table using with the help of mouse. Then after, selecting the text inside a single cell, editing editing or formatting a table. In next part 2, changing row height or column width, splitting and merging the cells, applying borders and shadings, resizing tables, alignment of a table, calculations, updating calculations in a table, and exercises. So in part 1, we will see the video to learn the things. We understand what is table. A table is an organized arrangement of data which consists of number of rows and columns. As you already know, row is the horizontal line and column are the vertical series. The intersection of a column and a row is called cell. Data in the form of text or graphics can be entered inside the cell. A column is a vertical series of cells in a table, whereas a row is a series of data items placed in a horizontal line in a table. Next, we will learn how to create a table. There are so many ways by using these ways we can create a table. We can create a table with the help of table grid, insert table dialog box, draw table option, quick tables, converting text to a tables. Then we will understand how we can select the things with the help of mouse, how we can select a cell, how we can select a row, how we can select a column, or how we can select the entire table with the help of mouse. Then after, selecting the text inside a single cell, how we can select a text, a word, a sentence, a block of text, a paragraph with the help of mouse. Then after, editing a table. What is the meaning of editing? Editing means after entering data in a table, you can make changes in the data as you needed. So you need to insert rows, columns or cells in a table to accommodate new content. Similarly, you can delete unwanted rows, columns or cells from a table. Then after, how you will insert a column and a row in a table, deleting row and columns, and last of this part, formatting a table. Formatting controls the overall appearance of a table after creating a table. So, with the help of this video, we will understand the chapter.
Today we will learn about tabular presentation of word processor. Microsoft Word offers a flexible feature of presenting information in a tabular form. In this chapter you will learn to create, modify and format a table to present the data in an effective manner. Let us start with a table. A table is an organized arrangement of data, text, numbers, pictures and other objects, which consists of number of rows and columns. The intersection of a column and a row is called a cell. Data in the form of text or graphics can be entered inside the cells. A column is a vertical series of cells in a table, whereas a row is a series of data items placed in a horizontal line in a table. Now let us understand how to create a table. What provides a variety of ways to create a table? To insert a new table, place the cursor where you want the table to appear.
Using Table Grid, click on the Table button in the Tables group on the Insert tab.
This will open a drop-down menu that contains a grid.
Drag the mouse pointer over the grid and cover the number of rows and columns you want in the table. The table will be inserted on the working area.
Using Insert Table dialog box.
Using Insert Table dialog box.
Insert tab and then
Navigate to the Insert tab and then click on the Table button.
Select
Select the Insert Table option from the drop-down menu.
Dialog box appears.
The Insert Table dialog box appears. Specify the number of columns and rows in the dialog box and click OK.
When you insert the table, you will get the
When you insert the table, you will get the design
design and layout tabs
and
under the
layout
table
tabs
tools.
on the ribbon under the table tools.
Draw table.
Draw table. Word
Word
2010 also provides you with a special drawing mode to create a table in your document. To draw a table, follow the given steps. Click the Table button on the Insert tab and choose the Draw Table option from the drop-down menu that appears. The mouse pointer changes to a pencil icon. Click at the desired position in your document and drag down the mouse pointer to the right to draw an outline of the table.
To draw a row, drag the pencil pointer
To draw
from
a
the
row,
left to
drag the
right
pencil
side of the
pointer
table.
from the left to the right side of the table.
To draw a column, drag the pencil pointer
To draw a
from the
column,
top to
drag the
bottom
pencil
of the
pointer from the top to the bottom of the
table.
table.
When you finish creating tables,
Columns and rows, click on the Draw Table button again or press the Escape key.
Students, let's know more. You can also
Students,
use
let's
the
know
Draw
more.
Table
You
button
can also
from the
use the Draw
Borders
Table
group
button
under the
from the
Design
Draw
tab
Borders
that
group
appears on the
under the
ribbon when
Design
you draw
tab
a
that
table.
appears on the ribbon when you
Quick
draw a
tables.
table.
Quick
tables.
Quick tables,
Available since Word 2007, are a quick and easy way to insert a pre-designed table in your document. These tables are the most commonly used table layouts saved in the Quick Tables gallery as building blocks. Follow the given steps to insert a quick table. Click where you want to insert a table. On the Insert tab in the Tables group, click on the table, then go to Quick Tables.
Select an appropriate template from the drop-down
Select an
list
appropriate
that
template
appears.
from the drop-down list that appears.
Students, let's know more. You can also
Students,
add a
let's know
frequently
more.
used
You can
table to
also
the
add
Quick
a
Tables
frequently
gallery
used
by
table to
selecting
the Quick
table
Tables
and
gallery
clicking
by
on
selecting the
Insert,
table
then
and
Tables,
clicking on the
then
Insert,
Tables,
then
then
Tables,
Quick
then
Tables,
Table, then
Save Selection
Quick
to
Tables,
Quick
then
Tables
Save
gallery.
Selection to Quick Tables gallery.
Fill information in the Create View Building
Fill
block
information
dialog
in the
box
Create
that
New Building
appears.
Block
And
dialog
click
box
OK.
that appears and click OK.
Converting text to a table.
Converting
You can
text
also
to a
convert
table.
the existing text
You
to
can
a
also
table.
convert the existing text to a
Enter the
table.
text as shown in the figure.
Enter the text as shown in the figure.
Select the text.
Select the
Click on the
text.
Insert tab, then Table
Click on the
button
Insert
and
tab,
select
then
the Convert
Table
Text to
button
Table
and
option
select the
from the
Convert
drop-down
Text to
menu.
Table option from the
The
drop-down menu.
Convert Text to Table dialog box
The Convert
appears.
Text to Table dialog box
Define the
appears.
columns and rows under the
Define
number
the
of
columns and
and
rows
number
under
of
the
rows
number of
option
columns and
respectively.
number of rows option respectively.
Click OK.
Click
The
OK.
selected text will appear in the table
The selected
form as
text
shown
will
in the
appear
figure.
in the table form as shown in the figure.
Now let us learn how to enter data
Now let
in
us
a
learn
table.
how to enter data
Place
in
the
a
insertion
table.
point in a table cell
Place
where
the
you
insertion
want to
point
type
in a
data.
table cell where you want to
To
type
move
data.
to the next adjoining cell,
To move to
either
the
press
next
the tab key
adjoining
or the
cell,
right
either
arrow key.
press the tab key or the right
To
arrow
move
key.
to the previous cell, either press
To
the
move
shift
to the
plus
previous
tab
cell,
key
either
or
press
the
the
left
shift
arrow
plus
key.
tab key or the left arrow
Enter the
key.
data as given in the table.
Enter the data as given in the table.
The up and down arrow keys will shift the
The up
cursor
and
to
down
the
arrow
cells
keys will
above
shift
or
the
below
cursor to
current
the
cell.
cells above or below the current cell.
Okay, let us understand how to select a
Okay,
cell.
let us
Row,
understand
column,
how to
and
select a
table
cell,
using mouse.
row, column, and table
To
using
select
mouse.
a cell, click on
To
the edge of
select
the
a
cell.
cell, click on the edge
To
of the
select
cell.
a row, move the mouse
To
to the
select
left
a
of the
row,
row margin.
move the
Click
mouse to the left of the
button
row
and drag
margin.
to the
Click
end
the
of
left
the
mouse
row.
button and drag to the end of the row.
To select a column, place the
To
mouse
select
pointer
a
over the
column,
top of the
place the
column.
mouse
Click the
pointer
left
over the
mouse
top of the
button.
column. Click the left mouse button.
To select the entire table,
To
click on
select
the table,
the
move
entire
handle
table,
or drag
click
the
on the
mouse
table,
over the
move
entire
handle
table.
or drag the mouse over the entire table.
Students, let me share it. You can
Students,
also
let me
select
share it.
different parts of a
You
table
can
by
also
using
select the
the
different
select
parts
menu
of a
on
table
the
by
table
using
tools
the
in the
select
layout
menu
tab.
on the table tools in the
Students,
layout
let us
tab.
learn how to select the
Students,
text
let us
inside
learn
a
how
single
to
cell.
select the text inside a
To
single
select
cell.
a word, double-click
To
on the
select
word.
a word, double-click on the word.
To select a sentence, hold
To
down the
select a
control key and
sentence,
click
hold
anywhere
down
in
the
the
control
sentence.
key and click anywhere in the
To select
sentence.
a block of text,
To
drag the
select
mouse
a block
over
of
the text.
text, drag the mouse over the
To
text.
select a paragraph,
To
triple-click on the
select a
paragraph.
paragraph, triple-click on the paragraph.
Okay, let's talk about editing a
Okay,
table.
let's talk about editing a
After
table.
entering data in a table, you can make
After
changes
entering
in the
data in a
data as
table, you
needed.
can make changes in the
You
data
can
as
insert
needed.
rows, columns, or cells
You
in the
can
table to
insert rows,
accommodate new
columns, or
content.
cells in the table to accommodate new
Similarly, you can
contents.
delete unwanted rows,
Similarly,
columns,
you
or
can
cells
delete
from a
unwanted
table.
rows, columns, or cells from a
Now let
table.
us learn how to insert columns
Now
or
let us
rows
learn
in a
how
table.
to insert column
While
or
creating
rows
and
in a
making
table.
entry in a table,
While
you
creating
might
and
need to
making
add
entry in a
columns or
table,
rows in
you might
between.
need to add columns or
What
rows in
provides the
between.
facility to add new columns
What
to the
provides the
right or
facility
left
to
of
add
any
new columns to
existing
the
column
right or
and
left of
insert
any
rows above or
existing
below
column
the
and
selected
insert
rows.
rows above or below the
To add a
selected
new
row.
column, select the column
To
by
add a
clicking
new
on the
column,
top border of
select the
it,
column by
adjacent to
clicking
which
on the
you
top
want to
border of
insert
it,
a new
adjacent to
column.
which you want to insert a
The
new
Table
column.
Tools tab appears on the
The
ribbon.
Table Tools tab appears
Click
on the
on the
ribbon.
Layout tab under it.
Click on the Layout tab
Select
under
either
it.
the Insert Left or Insert
Select
Right
either the
button in the
Insert
Rows and
Left or
Columns group.
Insert Right button in the Rows and Columns
An
group.
empty column inserts in the table as per
An
the
empty
chosen
column
option.
inserts in the table as per the chosen option.
Similarly, click either on the Insert Above
Similarly,
or
click
Insert
either
Below
on the
buttons
Insert
in the
above
Rows and
or
Columns
Insert
group
below
on the
buttons
Layout
in the
tab
Rows and
to
Columns
insert
group
a
on the
new row.
Layout tab to insert a new row.
Students, note that you can select as
Students,
many
note
columns
that
or
you can
rows
select
as you
as
want
many
to add in a
columns
table
or rows
and
as
then
you
right-click
want
on
to
the
add in a
selection.
table and
Click
then
on the
right-click
Insert
on the
option
selection.
and choose
Click
the
on the
desired option
Insert
from the
option and
cascading
choose the
menu.
desired option from the cascading
Now let's
menu.
talk about deleting rows and columns.
Now let's talk about deleting rows and
Select a row
columns.
or column.
Select the row or
Click
column.
on the Layout tab under the Table
Click
Tools
on the
tab.
Layout tab under the Table Tools tab.
Select the Delete option in the Rows and Columns
Select
group.
the Delete option in the Rows and
A
Columns
list
group.
of options appears.
A list of
Choose
options
the Delete
appears.
Rows or Delete Columns
Choose the
option in the
Delete Rows
drop-down
or
menu.
Delete Columns option in the drop-down
Or
menu.
right-click on the selected row or
Or
column that you
right-click on
wish
the
to
selected
delete
row
and
or
select
column
the
that you
Delete
wish
Row
to
or
delete and
Delete
select the
Columns
Delete
option
Row
from the
or
shortcut
Delete
menu.
Columns option from the shortcut menu.
Let us now find out how to
Let us
format
now
a
find
table.
out how to format a table.
Formatting controls the overall appearance of a
Formatting
table.
controls the overall appearance of
After
a table.
creating a table, you can
After
format the
creating a
entire
table,
by
you can
applying
format
various
the
styles,
entire table by
changing row
applying
height,
various
column
styles,
width,
changing
splitting
row
and
height,
merging
column
cells,
width,
or
splitting
applying
and
border
merging
shading.
cells, or applying
A
border
table
and
can be
shading.
formatted by using the
A table can be
Styles
formatted
gallery.
by using the Table
Table
Styles
Styles
gallery.
is an inbuilt facility
Table
to change the
Styles is an
appearance,
inbuilt
color, and
facility to
borders
change
of
the
a table.
appearance, color, and borders
Click
of
on
a
the table
table.
that you want to format.
Click on the table that you want to format.
Under Table Tools, click on the Design
Under
tab.
Table Tools, click on the Design tab.
Select the desired style from the Table
Select the desired
Styles group.
style from the Table Styles group.
Students note that you can also
Students
get more
note
style
that
options
you can
for
also
your
get
table
more
by
style
clicking
options
on the
for
More
your
drop-down
table
arrow
by
of the
clicking on the
Table
More
Styles
drop-down
gallery.
arrow of the Table Styles gallery.